If you are providing service of school bus, then this video is for you. Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly Chat Flow. Today we are going to learn how to create a WhatsApp chatbot for your school bus business. In this business, you get a lot of inquiry on WhatsApp regarding tracking order, booking bus and whatnot. Replying each inquiry individually would be a time-consuming and hectic task. That's where Pabbly Chat Flow make a huge difference. When users send a message, it automates your task and save your valuable time. If you want to know how to create this amazing chatbot for your own business, then let me take you to my screen. Welcome back to my screen. In today's video, we are going to learn how to create a WhatsApp chatbot for your school bus business using Pabbly Chatflow. This chatbot will automatically respond to people, collect their details and guide them through the inquiry process. So let's get started. As you can see, I have made this chatbot using Pabbly Chatflow. Let me show you its real-time working. For that, we need to open WhatsApp web. I will enter a key message, for example, hey. As soon as I have entered my key message, I got a response reply in which they have mentioned that hello from Pabbly, safe ride, and with that they have provided me 3 action button: live bus tracking, view routes, fee info. Let's click on live bus tracking. Now to track my bus, they have provided me a link, and with that they have mentioned that location is auto refreshed every 5 minutes. And with that, they have provided me 2 action button: menu and need help. Let's click on the menu option. As soon as I have clicked on the menu option, I got the initial message again. Now this time, let's see view route. As soon as I have selected view route, they have provided me all the routes of their buses with pickup time, drop time, bus number, driver name and all of that. And with that also, they have provided me 2 action button: menu and need help. Let's click on need help button this time. As soon as I have clicked on need help, they mention that their team will contact me as soon as possible. Their response time is 15 minutes and they have also mentioned their phone number. So yes, as you can see, this chatbot is replying me within second and made my customer experience so much better and fun. That too without any manual effort. That's the power of Pabbly Chatflow. If you want to know how to create this chatbot for your own business, then let me guide you further. For that, you need to open new tab and search pabbly.com/chatflow. As soon as you will search this, you will be landed on the pabbly.com page. Over here, you can see there are 2 options: sign up for free and sign in. If you are a new user, you can click on sign up for free. As I am existing user, I will click on sign in. After signing in, you will be landed on the All Pabbly app page. Over here, you can see there are 7 different applications. But as we are working with Pabbly Chatflow, I will click on Access Now button of that. After clicking on Access Now button, you will be redirected to the dashboard page. Here, you can add and manage all your WhatsApp number from one place using Pabbly Chatflow dashboard page. To add your WhatsApp number, you just need to click Add WhatsApp Number button, which is given on the top right corner. Under this, there are 2 options: WhatsApp Connect and Manual Token Connect. In Manual Token Connect, you need to enter Meta Access Token, phone number ID, WhatsApp Business Account ID manually. But in WhatsApp Connect, you just need to verify Meta Business Manager account and link your WhatsApp Business account with it. If you want to know how to add your WhatsApp number, we have created a separate video for that. Link will be provided in the description box. Not only that, there are many more features on dashboard. Let's see each feature individually. Below dashboard, there is inbox option where you can manage all your conversation with your customer without opening WhatsApp separately. After that, there is contact section where you can create new contacts and manage according to your requirement. After that, there is team queue section where you can assign different tasks to different team members and review their performances. After that, we have template section where you can create customized template. And by creating customized template, you can give personalized touch to your chart. Below that, there is broadcast section where you can send mass message to bulk of customer with customized template. After that, there is flow section. It is a powerful tool to create chatbot in Pabbly Chatflow. Below that, there is AI assistant, activity log, setting and get help. If you want to know each feature individually, we have created a separate video for that. Link will be provided in the description box as well. As we got to know about each feature, let's get started building the flow. For that, you need to click on flow option and you will be redirected to the flow builder page. To make a new flow, you need to click on add flow button. which is given on the top right corner. As soon as you will click on Add Flow button, you will be landed on this page. Here you can see a window is open named by Flow Start. Now to build a flow, first you need to give a meaningful name to your flow. As we are making this chatbot for School Bus Business, I will name it accordingly as WhatsApp chatbot for your school bus business. After giving a meaningful name, we need to know about 3 main features which are given inside the flow start: keywords, regex and choose template. Let's see each feature individually. Choose template is a feature where you can choose your created template to give personalized touch to your chat. Regex are the regular expression with special pattern or sequence of character used to find match or filter specific text. Keywords are the trigger message that your customer will put while initiating a conversation. Today I'm going to enter reject, which will understand what my customer is trying to say. Now, as soon as my customer enter a message, I want to send them a welcome message with a media. For that, I'm going to drag and drop media button and connect with my flow start. Over here, I'm going to browse my image like this. As you can see, my image is uploaded successfully. After that, I'm going to put a welcome message. For that, I'm going to click on Add Content button, select the text button and enter my message like this, in which I have mentioned that hello from Pabbly, safe ride. We have here to keep you informed about your child school transport. Please choose an option. For option, I will add action button. To add action button, I will click on add button option and enter my text. Live bus tracking. For my next action button, I will enter. For my second action button, I have entered view route. And for my third action button, I will enter fees info. Now for every action button, I will provide a separate message to my customer. Let's start with live bus tracking. For that, I'm going to give them a link for their bus tracking. For that, I'm going to give them a separate message. I will drag and drop, select the text button and enter my message, in which I have mentioned, please click the link below to track the live location of your child bus. And I have provided the link. With that, I have informed my customer that location auto refer every 5 minutes. Now with that, I'm going to provide 2 action button, menu and need help. I'm going to connect my menu button with our initial message. And I'm going to provide a separate message for need help. For that, I'm going to drag and drop, select the text button like this, in which I have mentioned that our team will connect you shortly and our response time is 15 minutes. With that, I have also mentioned our working hours and phone number. Now, let's move to our next action button, which is view route, in which I will mention all the routes that our bus are moving. For that, I'm going to drag and drop, select the text button and enter my message, where I have mentioned all the routes with bus driver, bus name, bus color, pickup time, drop time and everything. Now with that also, I'm going to provide 2 action button, menu and need help. I'm going to connect menu button with our initial message and need help button with the message that we have recently put for need help, like this. Now for our last message, which is fee info, I'm going to drag and drop, select the text button and enter my message, in which I will mention all the information about the fees like this. And with that, I'm going to provide action button which says menu and need help. I'm going to connect menu button with our initial message and connect need help button with the message that we have put for need help. Now, on to our last step. Don't forget to active your flow and save it. As you can see, I got a message that flow updated successfully and we have entered every single detail for our chatbot to run for a school bus. That means our chatbot is ready to run in real time. Not only this, you can create many more chatbots using Pabbly Chatflow. For any doubt, you can contact us on support@pabbly.com. For any query, you can write us on forum.pabbly.com. And for pricing detail, you can visit this website. Now go and create your account and create your first chatbot for free. Thank you so much.